5 lies insurance companies tell you. Insurance companies have captive body shops that work for them exclusively, called DRP shops. DRP means Direct Repair Program, and insurance companies steer their business to these body shops. In return, the DRP shops charge the insurance companies lower prices, and they do that by installing aftermarket or used parts and doing rush work on your vehicle. Here are the 5 insurance company lies to watch out for. 1. That body shop isn't on our preferred network. Preferred network really means referral network, where the insurance companies can save money, not you. 2. If you take your car to that body shop, we can't guarantee their work. Nonsense. Insurance companies never guarantee work done by an auto body shop. If it's a reputable shop, they guarantee the work themselves and stand by that guarantee. 3. The charges at that body shop are higher and you may be responsible for the difference. Again, not true. Once the damage is appraised, that becomes the cost of the repair, period. 4. Claims take longer to settle at that body shop. This statement is part of your insurance company's delay, deny, defend tactic. Don't buy it. 5. That body shop is charging you for parts and procedures that aren't necessary. Not true. A quality body shop will thoroughly examine your vehicle and only use parts made expressly for your vehicle, not third-party aftermarket parts or used parts. All 5 of these insurance company lies are designed to mislead you and frighten you. Know your rights. Tell your insurance company you have the absolute right to choose an auto body shop like Orlando Auto Body, where we put your best interests ahead of profits and ahead of your insurance company. For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.